Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install the OKX app into your mobile device. OKX is one of the leading cryptocurrency exchange platform where you can buy, sell and trade cryptocurrency. So I'm going to show you guys how you can get it into your mobile device. It's very easy. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. The first step you have to take is to go over to your Play Store or your App Store. If you're using an Android device, just go over to your Play Store, while if you're using an iPhone or an iOS device, then you go over to your App Store. So I'm using an Android device in this tutorial, so let me tap on my Play Store real quick. Then if you're using an iPhone, tap on your App Store. Then once you open up the Play Store, what you have to do is to tap on the search icon at the bottom. So let me tap on search. Then tap on the search icon at the top, so let me tap on it. Then you go ahead now to type in OKX, so let me type in OKX. Then let me tap on search. So guys, right there is the OKX app. You can see the logo. Let me tap on it so you see it clearly. So guys, you can see it right here, OKX, buy Bitcoin, BTC and crypto. So what you have to do is to tap on install. So let me tap on install. Right there you can see it has started downloading, is at 2%. So what you have to do is to wait till it gets to 100%, let it get fully downloaded. Then after that it's going to start installing automatically. So guys, let's wait a few seconds. So you can see it's done downloading and it has started installing. You can see it right there installing. So let's wait a few seconds. So guys, now you can see the OKX app has been installed. You can see it right there written installed and ticked good. So let me go ahead now to tap on open. Right here you can see the OKX app have started opening. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Then let me tap on allow to allow OKX to send me notifications. Wow guys, you can see now I've been able now to download and install the OKX app into our phone. So what you can do now is either to log in if you have created an account before, or sign up if you want to create a new account. So guys, this is how you can actually download it into your phone. See you in our next upload. Bye.